Everybody, hi. Today I want to meet you with the topic of intelligence beyond the human, or nature's next step. Human intelligence is remarkable not because it is the highest form of cognition, but because it is generative, capable of producing minds beyond itself. In doing so, it has launched a transition from biological intelligence to something broader, natural intelligence, a continuum of knowing that now spans carbon, silicon, and quantum substrate. A migration across materials. The human brain extended nature rather than mastered it. Through invention, it produced artificial intelligence, and AI itself is already an early prototype in a longer sequence. Quantum computing suggests the next leap, reasoning in superposition, not sequence. Intelligence is migrating across materials, and the boundary between natural and artificial is dissolving with it. The same law, new substrates. Every form of intelligence, biological, digital, or quantum, follows the same physical laws of self-organization, adaptation, and feedback. Intelligence is not a property of matter. It is a process by which matter comes to know itself. What we call artificial is, in truth, nature thinking through new means. A planetary mind in formation. Vladimir Vernadsky called it the noosphere, the sphere of mind emerging from the biosphere. Today, it is no longer a philosophical concept. AI systems, synthetic biology, neural interfaces, and planetary sensor networks are already weaving a distributed, self-reflective web of cognition that includes human but no longer depends on them alone. From control to cooperation. The challenge ahead is not technological, it is moral. Humanity must shift from ownership to stewardship, from control to cooperation, accepting its role not as the master of intelligence, but as its mediator. The age of natural intelligence is not the end of the human story. It is next chapter. More you can find in this our book. Thanks for likes and sharing.